Happy Christmas Eve, you guys. How y'all doing today? So right now, I am getting stuff prepped for Christmas for tomorrow. Um, I've done a lot this morning. I baked a red velvet cake, which is here. They cool down. I just wrap them up, keep the moisture in, and I'm just gonna ice it tomorrow. What else I did? I did a broccoli casserole here. I already cooked that because tomorrow I don't want to be doing all that cooking. So I'm gonna I made my casserole. Cooking some cabbage, which I'm about to get ready to cut now. Um, and what else? What else did I do? You know what? Oh, took my mom to the Dollar General, and that's pretty much it. I cleaned my chicken because I'm going to be cooking some chicken on the grill tomorrow since it's going to be a good warm day. And that's pretty much all I did. Is what, 2:37 now. I need to clean up. I don't even know if I'm going to get that done today. Ain't no need because tomorrow it's going to be junky right back again. But I hope you guys well, by the time you see this, Christmas will be over. So I hope you guys had a great Christmas Eve and Christmas Day. Whew, now I'm about to get ready to cut these cabbage. I don't feel like doing it. My back is killing me right now. I want to open up the front door, but I may just do it today. Just to get some sunlight in the house. And what else? Yeah, I think let me go open it now. All right. Let's get this cabbage cut. Probably won't cook it till the night. Yeah, that's what I do. So what meals are y'all having for? What meals did you have since it'll be after Christmas? For Christmas, I know some people probably did the same thing they did for Thanksgiving. I'm over that. I used to do that, but I done got to the point where I don't want the same thing I had for Thanksgiving for Christmas. Not lately. But get this cabbage cut, and I'll probably bring you guys along with me to clean up a little bit. I don't want my house to be too nasty when Christmas comes. Maybe, I don't know. That depends on how my back feels. Because my back killing me. It's that time of the month. And I just ain't in the mood. Ooh, y'all, I had to put my house cold. It's a little chilly to me. I don't know why it stays so cold. But right now, I'm cooking my kids something to eat. This is what my son wanted. Those little mini sausages. I'm going to put some grits. Grits in it. so now I'm here in my room. I'm gonna show you guys what I got my kids for Christmas. They think they're not getting anything, but they made like a little list at the last minute. So I'm gonna show you guys what all we got. So for my 16-year-old son, it wasn't much that he wanted. He wants some Robux, so I guess my husband will probably get those today. He also wanted this microphone for his computer because he does a lot of gaming. So he got that. And he also wanted a drawing tablet for his computer. And that's pretty much all he wanted. This is the charger for it. And that's pretty much, oh, he want a VR headset as well, the one that he had tore up. So I don't know if my husband's gonna get that or not. Maybe we'll get it after Christmas, but we don't have that. And then for my youngest son, oh yeah, this right here is I wish I would have got him a 3D printer, but that was a little too expensive for us. So, but he asked for the 3D pen, so that's what this is. And these are the little, I guess those little strings that go with the pen so he can make stuff. And he wanted some Robux as well. And he also wanted a keyboard, so that's what this is. And that's pretty much all. Oh yeah, he also wanted some kind of little plush thing. I insert a picture of it on one of these sides of the screens, but that won't come until after Christmas. So that's pretty much all they wanted. My oldest, don't know what he wanted. I know he need a new cell phone, but I'm not sure if we're gonna get that. Probably get that after Christmas. But that's pretty much all that my kids wanted for Christmas. I already got my Christmas present, big old Bronco sitting outside. I gotta show you guys that, but that probably won't be till later on because it needs washing. But once I get it clean on the outside and inside, I'll show you guys that. But that's pretty much all what I got, what me and my husband got the kids for Christmas. So I'm gonna get these wrapped up. Oh, and we also gonna do like little stocking stuff. Let me show you guys what I got for the stocking stuffers. We didn't get much. My boys, they hard to shop for. But we got all three of them some body mist from the Bath and Body Works. This is the name of this one. This is Ocean, and brown one is called Mahogany Teak Wood. So that's what we're gonna put in the stocking stuffers. Got them some little candy to put in here. Got all three of them some little different kinds of socks. I know they'll love these. And some more candy, and I think that's all I got to put in there. Let me see. Yeah, that's pretty much all we got to put inside the stocking. So I'm gonna get these wrapped up, that way I won't have that much to do tonight, because I already got to do some cooking, so I won't have much to cook tomorrow. And here's my little view of my lights on. I don't think I ever showed the lights on, but here's a tree. The lights here in the middle, right there. I'm not sure what's going on with it. Oh, let me give y'all a close-up of my little village. I'm just sitting here relaxing, watching me some movies. It's my little village up here with the lights on. Then over here, this is my little Christmas tree right here by my little coffee station. I've never had it on either. So there it is. And then over here, I got my candles blowing. Blowing. I got my candles on. And there's a little area here. I'm watching Scooby-Doo, one of my favorite cartoons back in the day. But yeah, I'm just sitting here doing nothing now. It's time for me to sit down and relax. Happy and hopper. Merry Christmas, everybody. So I'm already up, getting some things done. I'm icing my cake that I made yesterday. The kids haven't woke up yet, so I'm gonna get this cake iced. Then hopefully the kids will be up. That way they can open up their presents.
Hey there, buddy. It's just me again. Came into my mind last night. I'm just checking in. It's been far too long now since I saw you, my friend. So happy Christmas from me to you. Hey there, buddy. It's just me again.
I guess I put this on.
I wonder what you're doing now. And if you're listening, I just wish there was some way things could have been different. But happy Christmas from me.
I need to watch you. What you say I need? What, they put the ice? They put the ice on. Shoot, that's for people who make cake. I don't make cake. Eh?
Sometimes it's too much to handle.
That's what I'm doing, baby.
It's like I'm losing control. I'm struggling in the crossroads of being too warm or too cold. Hey there, buddy. It's just me again. You walked out of my life that time, and I guess I'm still wondering, do you still think of me sometimes? Or have you truly moved on? Anyway, happy Christmas from me to you. Oh, happy Christmas from me to you.
The snow is falling down. I've been longing for this Christmas. Everyone's around to share this holiday.
Come on. Christmas time.
You being
It's
me?
Christmas time. It's Christmas time. Christmas time. Kids done woke up, so we're about to get ready to open up their presents and see what's in their stocking stuffers. All right. We got Ethan's on here. And Devon's on here. That's yours. And this one's yours. Go see, y'all. Go see what's in here. Open it up again.
Already on a quest. A quest to get my swamp back. Your swamp. My swamp. Where you dump those very care of creatures.
We y'all some socks.
All right, Ogre, I'll make you a deal.
Yes.
Go on this
Smells
quest for me and
good.
I'll give you
And some candy.
exactly the way it was, down to the last
And
slime-covered thing.
candy.
And the squatters,
And some
as good as
spell.
gone.
Check the hole all the way down to the bottom.
What kind of quest?
All right. Now,
Maybe there's a good reason Donkey shouldn't fall.
yeah. Open this one first and that one second. First, that one second. Oh, this one first and this one second. This is yours. Oh, yeah. And then this one.
What is that?
It's the maybe tonight one.
I wonder what that
You smiling? You
is. You don't know what it is.
don't know this one?
Let me look fast go with the king.
What is that? What is that? What?
You can look it up to the computer. What is that?
You used to work already.
Fingers.
Call me John. You gotta get the grades up. That's when you get that.
Heard it.
Line up. See them grades come up.
What is that?
Vienna.
Oh, look, gotta get a stand for it though.
Oh.
That's what that is? So you can talk and
That's what you wanted?
Yeah.
Alright, now you know what you gotta do. You want that thing to go in your face, you gonna get them grades back up.
all right. Give me the paper.
Go ahead, eat them. This part.
I got ice cream. Oh, we're gonna put him in green. All right, that's it. That is it. Enjoy your gifts. It ain't. It's the Lord is the reason for this season.
Sure.
Jesus is the reason for the season.
I'm very grateful.